Welcome to the video. Today we are talking about something that affects millions of people: hair fall and baldness. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, man or woman, losing hair can hurt your confidence. But don't worry, there is hope and there are solutions. Let's start with hair fall. Losing 50 to 100 hairs per day is normal. But if your pillow, comb, or shower has too much hair every day, then it's a warning sign. Hair fall can happen slowly or suddenly, and it can be temporary or permanent. Now let's understand baldness. Baldness is when hair stops growing in specific areas, like the front or the crown of the head. It can make the scalp visible and reduce hair volume. This is also called male pattern baldness in men and female pattern thinning in women. Why does this happen? There are many reasons. High stress for long periods, poor diet, and lack of important vitamins like B12, D, zinc, and biotin, hormonal imbalance, especially in thyroid or after pregnancy. Genetics. If your father or grandfather had baldness, you might choose of harmful shampoos, gels, or heating tools, tight hairstyles that pull on the roots, dandruff, or scalp infections. Now let's talk about solutions. Hair fall can be reduced, and in many cases, hair can regrow. But it needs the right care and consistency. Here are some effective steps you can take. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Include leafy greens, almonds, walnuts, fish, eggs, and fruits. Apply natural oils to the scalp like coconut oil, onion juice, castor oil, or rosemary oil is gentle. Sulfate-free shampoos. Take supplements like biotin, iron, or vitamin D, but consult a doctor first. Drink enough water and sleep at least 7-8 hours daily. Derma rolling on the scalp once or twice a week to improve blood flow. Reduce stress through exercise, yoga, or meditation. Avoid harsh chemical treatments like rebonding, bleaching, or hair dyes. Most important, hair takes time to grow. It may take weeks or even months, but if you stay consistent, you will see results. So take care of your hair. Treat it gently, feed your body the right nutrition, and protect your scalp. Your hair can grow back stronger and healthier naturally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple health tips.